To make a guy want to kiss you, try flirting with him. Look for opportunities to hang out with him one-on-one in a relaxed setting so you can get to know him and give him your full attention. Lean in close and break the touch barrier if he seems comfortable with it. For instance, you might lightly touch his arm or shoulder while you talk to him. Remember to make lots of eye contact, smile, and use open, confident body language. Another great way to flirt is to joke around with him or give him a sincere compliment. Before hanging out with him, brush your teeth, swish a little mouthwash, or eat a mint to freshen your breath. If you want, put on some lip balm or lip gloss to make your lips soft and kissable. When you feel like the moment is right, take him aside and let him know you'd like him to kiss you. You can even say something like, "I'd love it if you kissed me right now."